stick this in. It needs to go in. I might as well fire it in. So I'll make some mess and then I can clean up my OCDs. So, right, come back to me later. When I say later, it's literally a matter of seconds for you, but it could be a couple of hours for me while I go drill. I've already measured up. It's like 8 centimeters by something like 13 centimeters. I'm going to cut a hole in, feed all that cabling through the hole in the back of this doofer, this cupboard here. You can see I've started taping it out so I can draw on it the exact measurements to get my jigsaw in. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole, well, 4 pilot holes on the corners, so and then I can cut out a shape. Thankfully there is a bit of wiggle room to make a mess, but I do want to try and make it perfect. So using a jigsaw on its side is going to be fun. I might show you that anyway. Let's go get this measured up. I've got not much else to do today. What time is it? It's probably about it's only 1 o'clock on a Sunday. What else would you be doing? Chat you in a second. All right, let's go get this measured up and all that crack. Alright, what I've done is, I was initially going to move it over here, but then I realised the hinge for the door is right behind that. So that would have been a stupid mistake. So what I've done now is, I've marked out, measuring the back of this panel, what I need to cut out. So I think that's 13 centimeters, and that's just a smidge over 7 centimeters. So I'm going to cut that out here. So I've used a puncher just to guide the tip of the wood drill bit, so it doesn't spin and bugger off somewhere. So I've just used a wee puncture to keep it close, and then I've marked out where I need to put my jigsaw. So it's going to get messy. I might just go grab a cloth actually to see if I can catch as much as the sawdust as I possibly can. And here we have one I prepared earlier. Alright, so let's see how much we can gather. Alright, so let's crack on. Section of locker cut out. Let's see, trial fit. Oh yes, like a glove. Happy days. Right, so bit of clean up, take all this down, screw it in. Oh, very happy. Next thing I need to do is where are you? Master on off switch for this. So I might just somewhere there. Oh, I'll keep it in line. We'll keep it in line here. That way I can control this unit so it doesn't just sit and drain my battery. But let's do that now. Let's get. Well, I'll have to go get my diameter tool, and just to see what the circumference of this is, because it's going to be a bit tight, and I need to force that in. I don't know yet. My is undecided. I could put that down the front. Don't know. No, I'm going to need it up here, aren't I? Because otherwise this thing's going to be sitting glowing green all night. So let's do a quick tidy up. A bit of dust in here, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm trying to get a diameter from this. Now that is 20, well it's supposed to be 20 mil, right? So that's a 20 mil hole I need. This is 21 mil. Alright, so I'm 1 mil extra, which shouldn't be a problem because it's going to be wedged in using these, which do expand to 22, 23. So I'm going to have to put this on, drill through there, just so that I get a snug fit for that. Okay, so that's where I'm at the minute. I was just testing the light effect and it works. So that's my on-off switch. Well, I'll actually only be using this cable, and then that will be going through onwards from the back of this unit. So I need to be able to switch this whole thing on and off using that. So let's drill a hole. I'll line her up. I've already hole punched it, so it should be steady. Let's get all this out of the way because it's going to get a mess. Right, this is designed for metal, so we'll just quickly drill a hole of metal to get that bit through. Certainly punched a hole through that. Ah, bugger, it's too big. What can we do to fix that? What we can do no, it's not too big. It's snug, don't get me wrong. It's in. Well, aren't I the knobhead? It would seem I've ran out of footage. I think on the day what happened was I ran out of memory storage because I'd been filming a lot of crap all that day. So I've actually nothing else to show you on that video, and I'm really sorry. Basically all I had to do then was just drill it in and connect it up. And to be honest, all I did was a test connection. At this stage, I still haven't finished it. Lockdown, work, excuses. Bad weather mostly, really bad weather. But anyway, I will go back and visit this and add another video. So this is only going to be a short 5-minute. But I will go back in and I will detail exactly what it was that I was doing, on how I've actually bought something else, a bus bar for another negative distribution panel at the back behind that marine thing I've just put in. Hopefully you can hear me fine. The video is rendering right now. So anyway, apologies. I'm a tit. I ran out of storage. I never came back and finished the job. Needless to say, all I've done is strip off all the panels in the van. All the protective coverings done. But I have yet to connect anything to that marine panel. So I will revisit it, I promise. Thanks for watching. I know it was a short one. Usually I do ramble on a bit. So if you'd like to subscribe on the link below, I'm trying to work off this video in reverse. That would be great. And thank you for the support. Getting me over 100 subscribers is fantastic. I really do appreciate it. And everything that I've used in these videos is in the description below. Obviously, it's Amazon affiliated links. So far, I think I've made £1.92 out of all those links I've been putting on my video in sales commission. £1.92. I don't know what to buy with that. Not very much. Anyway, thanks for everybody who's supporting the channel. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one where I do have a lot of footage to do. So I'm going to get editing with that. See you next time, guys. Bye.